Good morning and welcome to the ADS Securities Fundamentals Update. Beginning with the Federal Reserve Chairwoman testimony yesterday, Janet Yellen hinted that QE tapering will be stopped if the economic outlook changed significantly. And it's hard to say how much the bad weather affected the economy so far. As for the Asian session today, there were a collection of economic figures which had a notable impact on Japanese yen. Japan unemployment rate stabilized at 3.7% as expected, and nationwide CPI also stabilized at 1.3%. However, better than expected data came in from retail sales, which increased by 4.4%, and also the industrial production came in much better than expected with a rise of 4%. Going forward to the European session today, we will be focusing on many economic figures as well. German retail sales may rise by 1.2%, and from the UK, nationwide house price index or nationwide HPI may increase by 0.6%. In France, consumer spending is expected to decline by 0.8%, and in Italy, monthly unemployment rate is expected to stabilize, but the quarterly unemployment rate may rise by 12.4%. Eurozone unemployment rate also is expected to remain unchanged at 12%. And finally, the most important event for today is the Eurozone CPI flash estimate, which is expected to remain stable. However, any sudden decline below that level may fuel a sell-off in the euro dollar or the euro currency, as the markets will be pricing in an action by the ECB as early as next week. As for the U.S. session today, we'll be focusing on Canada monthly GDP, which is expected to shrink by minus 0.2%. And the U.S. also, prelim GDP is expected to be revised down to 2.6 due to the bad weather. The Chicago PMI also may decline slightly to 57.9. And finally, revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment may also rise slightly to 81.4. This is it for today. You can follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. See you once again next week. Have a good weekend.